All right, now let's demonstrate summary statistics. So please note we are continuing from our previous hands-on. So please make sure to run the module one. So I'm not running because it contains basically our table data and all. So today we'll be deep diving with the standard deviation, percentile, those kind of things. So first things first, let's run our first select query, which is kind of the standard deviation, mean and everything. So if you look here, we have used the standard deviation function stddev. For median, we know it's 50% of the percentile. That's why I've turned median here, and this is the result here, right? So same goes for other percentile like 25, 75 and max. Now let's go ahead with our second query, which is the quantity column we are specifically using here. Let's run this, and here we go with the quantity column, the mean, standard deviation, the similar operation we have performed. Now let's go ahead with some multi-column summary using union all. We'll combine using union all here. We are familiar from our previous tutorial, right? Union and everything. So there we go. The unit price and the quantity. We can see here the one kind of data profiling thing appears as well. Close this and try to go ahead with our fourth step, which is kind of variance versus the std dev, the two measures of the data spread. So if you look here, the variance and the standard deviation, we can see the values here, right? Now let's find the approximate percentile. Let's which is our step 5 basically. It's kind of equivalent to PySpark function data frame dot approx quantile and the function. So this is what how we can use using the SQL warehouse. We can do the similar operation instead of using a notebook. If it's not available in your organization, we can still pull the data using SQL. Now let's go using roll up this time. Again, an important operation with respect to data engineering, group by roll up, right? So basically it, if you look, produces one row per category with an extra row for overall total. Looks good. Now let's go ahead with our step 7, which is the cube. If you look, the group by cube, right? This is our last query in this tutorial. Let's run it. So cube basically groups combinations. If you look here, all regions here we have, right? And then east, for all categories we have done the coalesce here. So that's what is all about the summary statistics with respect to data engineering. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.